Day 5 of me working on my shelter. I was going to start on the back wall today. And here's some posts that I cut for this back wall. And here's me cutting some braces for the back wall. And here I am tying it up to the braces to make it stouter. And then on our way to get more posts, we found this cool looking turtle. Me and Bruce checked it out. Bruce smelled it over. And then we put it down and said peace, and then was on our way. And then here we are, cutting some more posts. Here's the post. We got to take the round around the side of this mountain, and here it is. And here's the fireplace being tested out. Don't forget to like and follow and keep it country.